In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can put text on TikTok videos at different times. Okay, so let's just get straight into the process. So the first thing you want to do is tap on the create button there at the bottom in the center to begin creating your TikTok video. Now for this example, I'll just create a quick TikTok video. So I'm pressing down and holding down the record button and just recording something real quick. Okay, so there we go. So now what we need to do is we need to tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. And now to add our text, I'll add two sets of text and show you how to add it at different times. So I will say, I'll push the text button and then I'll just simply type hello. And you can change how the text looks and everything like that, change the colors, and then tap on done at the top right. Now to put this at a different time in the TikTok video, if you don't want it to be throughout the entire video, just tap on the text and then you'll see an option there that says set duration. So I'll tap on set duration and now we can move the slider at the bottom. So you can see that red slider. If we move that slider to, like, let's say over there, and then we move it to that portion, so the text is only going to appear at that portion of the video. Then tap on the tick mark at the bottom. Now you can see the text is gone and it should appear there and then disappear. So now it is at a different time within the video. Now you can add more text by just adding some more text. So I'll say awesome, change how it looks, and then I'll tap on done, and you can move the text around as well, and I'll tap on set duration once again. And let me just say I want this to be in the very beginning of the TikTok video. Now you'll notice here that the selected sticker has to last for at least 1 second. So I'll put it like that, tap on the tick mark, and now we can have a look there, it disappeared and then the new text popped up. So those are two different types of texts at different times within the TikTok video. Then you would just tap on next and then go and post your TikTok video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.